Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Fast. If Discord is stuck on a gray screen and refuses to load, don't panic. This is actually a pretty common problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and in this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. The good news is, most of these fixes only take a few minutes. So let's get straight into it. First, we need to make sure Discord is completely closed. Sometimes the app keeps running in the background, and a normal restart just isn't enough. Right-click the Windows taskbar and open Task Manager. Click More Details if needed. Find Discord in the list, right-click it, and click End Task. Now try opening Discord again. If the gray screen is still there, move on to the next fix. Method 1. Clear Discord cache files. One of the biggest causes of the gray screen issue is corrupted cache files. Clearing them usually fixes the problem instantly. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, then press Enter. Open the Discord folder. Now delete these folders: cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Once you're done, restart Discord and see if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Run Discord as administrator. If Discord still shows a gray screen, try running it as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut and click Run as Administrator. If Discord opens normally now, you can make this permanent. Right-click the Discord shortcut again, click Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as administrator. Then click Apply. Method 3. Update your graphics driver. Outdated graphics drivers are another major reason Discord fails to load properly. Press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and click Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for drivers. After the update finishes, restart your PC and test Discord again. Method 4. Reinstall Discord completely. If none of the previous methods worked, your Discord installation might be corrupted. A clean reinstall usually fixes stubborn gray screen problems. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. Find Discord and uninstall it. Now remove the leftover files. Press Windows plus R again. Type %appdata% and delete the Discord folder. Then press Windows plus R one more time. Type %localappdata% and delete the Discord folder there too. Restart your computer. Then go to the official Discord website, download the latest version, and install it normally. Method 6. Check your internet or VPN. If Discord is still stuck on the gray screen, your network connection might be blocking Discord from loading properly. Try these quick fixes. Disconnect your VPN, restart your router, try a different internet connection, disable proxy settings, or temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes that's all it takes. And that's how to fix the Discord gray screen problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Fix It Fast for more quick PC fixes, and let me know down in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.